Hello ladies, my name is Isabelle Giroux for Natural Healing Mentor. I'm a certified naturopath, NLP master practitioner, and health and wellness coach supporting strong and determined women just like yourself to create a balanced and healthy lifestyle and reclaim your personal power with fast and long-lasting results. We love it. So I've got something special for you. If you're ready to go strong, I'm ready to show up and help you make it happen. For a limited time, you can reach out to me to book a free 30-minute one-on-one breakthrough session where we're going to map out the specific steps that you need to take to create your personalized roadmap to success. How do you do that? You just type out calendly.com/Isabelle Giroux ND/30 mins. That link should be showing up right there on the video. So, if you are ready to make your dreams a reality, I am ready to help you get there. See you there. Bye.